have a question, Nicki.
Yes.
Question is, which I don't see here, maybe it's a different focus, but when you know that you're in present with the moment, which is always difficult, that's something that I like to work on, being in that moment, because sometimes the focus factor will help.
Yes.
It's when you know they're not listening to you back. You can tell that it's not engaging. They're on their own agenda, and whatever you're saying, it's glazed over.
Okay, so Regina, if you came to me and asked me to coach you around that, this is probably what I would do, if you're okay with that.
Sure.
You be you. Okay. So Regina, what makes you think that they're not engaged?
Because whenever I share a thought, there's no bridge between what I've shared and what they're responding with. It's almost like they didn't hear what I said.
And what do you think would cause them not to hear what you've said?
That they're not present in the moment and they're thinking about what they want to think about so that they can get to their agenda.
So how can you get them out of that situation?
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. That's it. So this is for everybody. And just because of time, I'm just going to go there. You can ask the question. So what would you like to cover in our time we're together today?
Oh, geez.
So they get their agenda out of the way immediately. Then they're back with you. That kind of drives me crazy too. When I'm with like this woman today, I had a plan to meet with her. And I thought, okay, this is my intention and we'll see where this thing goes. She never gave me a chance. It was frustrating to me. That whole phone call was frustrating to me.
Right.
You know, so that could be happening, especially if they're a D or an I, that could be happening. So find out first, just like when you all do your meetings, when you have people come to meetings, tonight we're talking about sales. What would you like to walk away with tonight? You could learn anything you wanted to learn about sales. What would that be? If you ask that at the beginning of your meeting, you're going to move the intention around what they're looking for, not what I think they need. Big difference in how open they will be to that. So that is one clue, is to ask, what would you like to cover? You know, just getting that out of the way. If this is a coaching conversation, that's different. But if it's a sales conversation, that person isn't listening. Which of these products would interest you the most?
Right.
Or what is your current skincare regime? What would you like? What are you willing to move to have your skin look younger longer? You got to make it about them because they're in their own head.
Yeah.
So hopefully that was helpful.
Yes, it was. Yeah.